pop it into the sky. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can I see something?
See the moon?
Uh-huh. Looks up there. We get up to the moon. How can you climb a tree up to the moon?
You can't climb a tree to the moon.
It looks very human, but see the moon. That's really dark. And the moon keeps racing the sun.
It's racing the sun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
You know about that?
What?
The sun is very dark.
It's pretty dark out. Do you hear the fireworks?
Uh-huh. Sounds like pop out fireworks.
Yeah. What kind?
Mm-hmm. Kind pop, but what is this called? Spice sauce.
Oh. You see the moon?
Uh-huh. The moon. How can we catch up to the moon?
We can't catch up to the moon.
How
Do
can we
you
get it?
want to see it in the telescope?
Uh-huh. Let's go get the telescope.
Alright, let's go get it.